Thank you for joining me on Wealth and Safety Channel. If today's your first time, Safety Channel is a channel where we share the good information on how to make money online, how to multiply money, and how to manage your money. We also discuss a good opportunity on how to earn in safety industry. So every Thursday we share finance, and on Fridays we share information on what we call Safety Friday. So if it's what you need, I will advise you to please subscribe to this channel so that you will be able to really transform your financial life. My name is Larry. Today I'll be sharing with us 7 investments that you need to get involved in right now to earn money. And some of these investments are very passive. A lot of people out there, they are working, but not necessarily getting the information on how to increase their money. Some of them stock their incomes in the bank where inflation comes out with it. And today I want to discuss with us something that you can do what the banks do so that your money would just not be dwindled and in the bank. So I want you to be attentive, and towards the end of this video I'm going to do a practical demonstration on how to make 1 or 2 investments, life investment. I'm going to do a deposit. So I want you to stay glued to this channel. Before we continue, I want to say thank you if you are a returning subscriber, and do like this video and share with your friends so that they can be blessed by it. Some of the things that I share on this channel are things that I do, and I want to believe that if you do that right now, it will bless them. Every Friday, they will look up towards receiving information on how to earn money in safety industry. A lot of people are making over 7 figures. So we are going to be sharing some of these opportunities, which are quite very vast, online, and we'll drop the video every Friday so that you can be blessed by it. You don't need to go out there to spend thousands of naira to learn it, but we are going to reveal to you and show you the picture of some of these accessories on how to really maximize them financially. So coming back to the investment that you have to get involved in very quickly right now, I want to start by investing in REIT. It is called Real Estate Investment Trust, a company that invests its time and energy in real estate. Some hospital and very big companies that you see with a particular good brand may not necessarily be owned or built by such brands. These buildings are owned by a REIT, and it is allowed by law to get money from trustees. When it gets money from trustees who invest in the property and they shared about 90% of their profit with them, they are bound by law to do this, and it is quite very phenomenal. I want you to know that not all stocks or shares that have dividends, some of them are big and to the level of not sharing dividends quarterly, or sorry, maybe every quarter. But this, what I'm going to mention to us that will be able to really help us to invest is rate. And I'm going to give us a clear example of that. For example, if you invest in American tour, it doesn't matter where you are not being restricted by location. If you are in America, wherever you are, whether in Nigeria or out of Nigeria, you'll be able to invest in it. I'm going to demonstrate. That's why you need to really watch the video to the end, because I'm going to demonstrate how I'm going to invest in rate for you today. I've mentioned America Tour, and the second one is Prologis. I'm going to invest live today in Prologis, and for you to be able to see it. If you make your research, I'm going to drop the name of these companies in the description of this video so that you can make your own research on them. This is not a financial advice, just education, and to tell you what people do to make good money. If what you need is a long-term investment that will be able to really take care of you in your old age, this is a very good opportunity for you to invest in. It's a company that is doing very well. You will agree with me that right now, as the time of preparing this video, A lot of stocks are diagnosing in a way. They are not really making wave the way it were. But there are some that are very, very okay that are still you need to really buy right now. The prices have come down and you need to buy right now so that you'll be able to really make good money of it. There are a lot of them that, in spite of what is going on in the market of stock today, these stocks are still doing well. So I've mentioned to us Prologis and American Tour. The second one is investment in gold ETF. Gold ETF is just like a virtual investment in gold. Gold, gold has been in existence for years, and the value increases day by day. It doesn't dwindle the value, but the thing is, you cannot just buy gold and keep it in your house because of theft and because of the issue of security. All you need to do is to get some of the player in this field that will enable you to really buy some gold, and they give you a paperwork of it that will be able to really a certificate that you can really exchange for the price of a real gold at the time that you are willing to exchange or liquidate that value to your money. That is number two. Let's move to number three. Number three is S&P 500 index. Sometimes it looks at this is a company whereby it contains over 500 companies, and they are trusted with their track record. Index fund in the sense that we have a lot of this company put together, up to 500 of them. If any one of them is not doing well, it is removed and they put another one. They keep on doing it in such a way that you can be making a lot of money there. Though there's a lot of discouragement here and there, but it's one of the guarantees way of making money. In fact, at the time whereby you find out that everything is coming low, this is when you should be investing very well so that you'll be able to really enjoy it. There's no point, you are very strong right now to be able to work. But by the time you get to old age, you will need more money. You want to live a good life. You need to take care of your health so that you can live longer. So that is why you need to, as you are working, you need to be keeping aside about 10 to 20% or 30 as the case may be, depending on your age, to be able to take care of your old age. Number four is crypto mining. All the mining and blockchain you are seeing over there, it is done by individual like you and I. It is not mined by anyone. It is just mined by anybody. All you need to do, you need to go to the website. For example, Ethereum, Google it and see their website on how to mine Ethereum regularly. And you can, keep that for a long while. By the time it appreciates, you can really exchange that for money. Then the next one, number five, is Airbnb. Airbnb is quite very phenomenal in a way. It can happen in slum. A lot of people may not understand what that means. A lot of people come and travel down to a particular town, and by the time they do, they are looking for a cheaper place to really lay their heads. Instead of going to a 5-star hotel or where they think they are going to spend a lot of money, they look for a cheaper place through Airbnb. Just like people who have a boat and Uber, they'll be able to check out how to get transportation to move from one year to the other. The application is there again for them to visit and to be able to locate a particular Airbnb location where they can just really lay their head without necessarily spending much from their pocket. So if you have a particular accommodation or you rent a place, even in a slum in Nigeria or Ghana, wherever you are, make the place okay, very decent and all that, and that is okay. By the time you factor what you are going to get from it, it will be better off than just having a rent with that. Please, if you are getting value from this video, please kindly give me a thumbs up, and please subscribe to be able to really let other people have the opportunity. And of course, if you have any question arising from this discussion, kindly go to the description of this video, kindly comment. If you want more of this investment, just say, Larry, go down there and please give us more of this investment and how to start without investing any amount of money. Let's move on. The next one is mutual fund. This one is investment in security. There are a lot of companies in Nigeria where you can really invest and do your research on that. So I'm not a financial advisor, but just to really tell you, you can really get some of these instrument to be able to invest your money. If you want me to advise or tell you the one that I think is Nigeria you can invest your money with, please go to the comment and write it down. Larry, give me what you use or where I can do mutual fund. Just write it at the comment. I will do my best to really give you answer. Then number 7, lastly, is YouTube. YouTube is quite very phenomenal. This is just about third YouTube account that we manage. We have the first, the second, but this one is meant for safety because we manage a safety company, and some of the things we do has to do with safety consultancy. We train people in the area of safety, so we give them opportunity to learn online. And so we are using this platform, to start. So we want you to support us on this channel so that we can quickly get to a higher level and share with your friends so that they can benefit. Come up every Thursday and get some of this value from us. And of course, you on Friday, you come over again to Safety Friday to be able to really enjoy some of the things we bring for you. You can begin to really market some of these safety products on Konga and other platforms that we'll be sharing with you every Friday. Now, just like I said that I'm going to do some investment in one of these REIT company. I want you to stay glued. I will show you how to do life investment. Please don't invest what is it that you need almost immediately. You need to know that it's a long-term investment, and you really need to do that step by step, diversify your portfolio, and of course, remain focused. Before we go to that place, I will encourage you to please like this video and share it with your friends for them to enjoy it. Let's move to our system to be able to really see how the investment is done. Till I come your way in the next video, thank you very much for being here with me. Welcome back. Now, let's take a look at how to invest in a portfolio. So you come to this place on Trope app, you come to Fund Portfolio. You click on Fund Naira. Click on Continue. Then we have 3 options: Naira card payment, Barter and Paga. I choose Naira card payment. Then proceed. I will enter the amount I want to sort of invest right now on 100,000 Naira. I will click on Next. Enable instant deposit. Yes, I put it on. I said Continue. So as I continue, it tells me, okay, it's going to entail 102,484 Naira 7.7. Okay, that's what it's going to cost me to deposit that amount of Naira. So I click on Pay, Proceed. All right, it's going right now. Click on Pay, Proceed. Please pay a total of 102. So it is done. I'll click on Done. All right, once that is done, all I need to do is to click on PLD. The PLD is the one I want to buy. That's what I call Prologis. It is called PLD. So you click on Buy. Extended hours. Yes, enable. Okay, you read the terms very well. Yes, I understand. You move on for the process. Okay, oh, it is successful. You can now, okay, let me check it out. Click on Buy. Continue. Okay, continue. The amount of buying has been deposited. That amount has been deposited. One buying power, it is that 100,000 Naira will be able to buy 137.13 dollars. This is what you'll be able to buy. And the share price as of today it is 111. All right. So you click on Next. So when you click on Next, old share, only old share capital are supported for limit orders. Okay. Quantity of shares. Let's enter 1 share. How much is going to cost us? It will cost us how much? Is it insufficient? You need extra 1. Okay, let's enter the amount view cost. That's about 1 something.
Let's go back and see what we'll be able to do. I don't want to set a limit to it. I want to buy, pre-order, buy market, buy limit, pre-order, buy market. Let me go to buy market directly. Okay, and I want to say, okay, $137.13. View is cost. What's going to cost me? So for me to estimate the shares, I'll be buying 1.19930,257